Day 1. Arriving in Japan and exploring Tokyo. At Narita Airport. Talking to the immigration officer.
Hello, I'm from Vietnam. Here's my passport.
Hello? What's the purpose of your visit to Japan?
I'm here for travel, alone. I want to explore Japanese culture and food. Yay!
That sounds fun. How long will you stay?
1 week. It's my first time in Japan. I'm a little excited and nervous.
Welcome to Japan. You should try sushi and see the cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossoms? What are they?
They're called sakura. They bloom so beautifully in spring. Very romantic.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. I'll take lots of photos.
Your passport is fine. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy Japan.
Add baggage claim. Talking to an airport staff member.
Excuse me, my suitcase hasn't come out yet. I'm worried.
Don't worry, miss. What's your flight number?
It's VN123 from Hanoi.
Let me check. Ah, here it comes. That's your suitcase.
Oh, yay! Thank you so much. It's so heavy.
I'll help you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, first time. I want to be free and explore everything.
Japan is very safe. You should try the Shinkansen. It's super fast.
Shinkansen? What is that?
It's the bullet train. It goes like a rocket.
Wow, I want to try it.
Buy a JR pass. It saves money.
Thank you for the advice. You're so kind.
No problem. Have fun.
Bye-bye.
On the train to Tokyo. Talking to a passenger.
Excuse me, is this train going to Tokyo?
Yes, it is. Are you a tourist?
Yes, I'm from Vietnam. First time in Japan.
Welcome. Tokyo is big and modern.
I'm a little confused with this map.
Let me help. Where do you want to go?
My hotel in Shinjuku?
Easy. Get off at Shinjuku Station.
Thank you. What's fun in Tokyo?
So many things. Tokyo Tower is very tall. The view from the top is amazing.
I love high places. What about food?
Try ramen. It's hot and delicious. Yum!
Sounds so good. I'll eat it soon.
Be careful with crowds at the station, okay?
Yes, I'll be careful.
Have a great trip.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Checking in at the hotel. Talking to the receptionist.
Hello, my name is Lan. I have a booking.
Hello, Miss Lan. Let me check. Yes, room 501.
Thank you. The hotel is so beautiful.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I want to explore freely. Yay!
Great. There's a park nearby with cherry blossoms.
Are the cherry blossoms blooming now?
Yes, they're so pretty right now. Go take photos.
I will. What about food?
There's a great sushi restaurant just 5 minutes away.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a good rest.
Thank you.
Exploring Shinjuku Street. Talking to a street food vendor.
Hello, what is this food?
This is takoyaki, octopus balls. Very popular.
Sounds strange, but fun. I'll take 1 portion, please.
500 yen. Where are you from?
Vietnam. I'm traveling alone.
Alone? That's brave.
Yes, I love new things.
Takoyaki is a famous street food in Japan.
What does it taste like?
Crispy outside, soft inside, a little spicy.
Oh, wow. It's so hot, but so delicious. Yum.
Careful, it's hot. You should try okonomiyaki too.
What's that?
Japanese savory pancake. You choose the toppings.
Sounds delicious. I'll find it.
Have fun in Tokyo.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Come back soon.
Eating sushi at a counter, talking to the chef.
Hello. I want to try sushi.
Welcome. What kind do you like?
Something easy for beginners, please.
Okay, salmon nigiri coming up.
Thank you. Is sushi raw fish?
Yes, fresh raw fish on rice. Very tasty.
Raw fish. I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, it's safe and healthy.
Okay. Oh, wow. It's so good.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, exploring Japanese food.
Great. Try wasabi. It's spicy.
What's wasabi?
Green spicy paste. Eat a little.
Okay. Ouch, it's so spicy.
Welcome to Japan.
Visiting Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, talking to a guide.
Hello, what is this temple called? This is Sensoji, the oldest temple in Tokyo. So beautiful. Can I take photos? Of course. Do you know about Japanese culture? Not much. Please tell me. This temple is for Buddha. People come to pray for good luck. What can I pray for? Health, love, happiness, anything. Yay! I'll pray. You should try omikuji, fortune-telling paper. What's omikuji? You draw a paper that tells your future. So fun! I'll try it. Good luck. Thank you. How old is this temple? More than 1,400 years old. It survived wars. Wow, amazing. Walk down Nakamise Street. Lots of souvenirs. Nakamise is Old Shopping Street. I'll go. Thank you so much. Have fun.
Taking photos under cherry blossoms in a park, talking to a photographer.
Hello. The cherry blossoms are so beautiful.
Yes, Sakura season is the best time.
Can I take photos here?
Sure, let me help you with poses.
Thank you. Are you a photographer?
Yes, I take Sakura photos every year.
What does Sakura mean?
They mean life is short and beautiful.
So deep. I'm from Vietnam.
Traveling alone? That's cool.
Yes, I love freedom.
Try Hanami, picnic under the flowers.
What's Hanami?
Party with friends, looking at flowers.
Sounds so nice. I'll try.
Take beautiful photos.
Thank you.
Bye.
Getting lost on the street, talking to a policeman.
Excuse me, I'm lost.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
My hotel in Shinjuku?
It's close. Go straight, then turn right.
Thank you. Tokyo is so big.
Use a map app. It helps a lot.
I will download it. Any advice?
Keep your bag safe. It's crowded.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Stay safe.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
End of the day, video call with boyfriend back home.
Honey, I arrived in Japan.
Yay! How was day one?
Tired but super fun. Everyone is so nice.
Tell me everything.
I met a kind immigration officer, ate takoyaki.
Takoyaki? Send photos.
Okay, sending now. Cherry blossoms are amazing.
Beautiful. Did you go to the old temple?
Yes, Sensoji. I prayed for good luck.
And fortune paper?
I got a good one. Yay!
Haha, looky girl. Did you get lost?
A little, but policemen helped me.
Good. Are you okay?
Yes, very happy. I ate sushi too, raw fish.
Brave. You're amazing.
Tomorrow I want to see more.
Have fun, okay? I miss you.
I miss you too.
Sleep well, love.
Good night, love.
Sweet dreams.
You too.
I love you.
I love you more.
That is the end of day 1. If you want to continue, watch day 2. See you in the next video.